There's a pay station there, man.
Yep.
Oh, there's a pay station.
Yep. Apparently so.
Where's the Vista College, man? Look at the.
Ooh,
Oh, there's a spin.
How are you?
$14 wash, please.
We're doing free washes.
14.
Oh, you're doing free washes?
Let's get a top
Oh,
wash.
cool.
Free wash. We get
Hang on.
it.
Double check the top rack though.
Okay.
Oh, we have free wash. And single wash is expensive too.
Is that how it comes stock?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been through a lot of car washes.
Well, I figured
No
as much.
problem.
The
Yep.
problem is that we
And
had a couple go
we
through
get a top
that
wash.
they look like they're bolted on.
Oh,
like
yeah.
They're just clamped on.
Oh, no, mine's bolted.
Oh, we got
If
you
they
the
go
top
through
wash.
like
This
that
includes
and don't do a
everything.
top brush
Yeah.
retract,
Gotcha.
it'll rip them off.
Oh, really?
So
Uh-oh.
it's better for us and for y'all.
Yeah,
to double
yeah,
check
I
stuff
get
like
you.
that.
Makes sense. That makes sense.
I had to
And
open the
we're doing
roof.
free washes now, and then like you see on the sign there, we're doing discounted monthlies for your first
Gotcha.
month also.
Thank you for your
Thanks.
purchase.
Appreciate it. Will do.
Yay!
How about that free car wash?
Free wash. It says free washes. That manager says free wash.
Everybody's getting a free wash to try out Mr. Car Wash.
This is a Sonny's tunnel.
Wait a minute. I guess press the...
On a custom dumbbell. There you go. I got the custom dumbbell picture. Oh, we have a Sonny's tunnel. Can press the dumbbell. Yeah, this is a Sonny's tunnel then. But ooh, brand new system.
Cool, man.
Wonka.
Everybody's using the Mr. Car Wash because they got free car washes.
Free wash, yeah.
Cool.
Got you the top. Stop turning on the wipers then.
Turn it off.
I'll use this on the back camera. And the top wash didn't come down because I don't want to damage it. That the top wash won't come down
I guess not.
because I don't want to damage your car. Top wash did it come down. The top wash didn't come down only to get damage your car. Against this remix. Rinse. We have the Sonny's air dryer. Sonny's done. Got the tower shine. Nice wash. Go.
Cool.
Yeah, the top wash didn't come down. Don't get damaging on a car. Yeah.
Nice and clean.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Thanks so much.